Today I'm going to show you how to do this butterfly design with the isolated chrome. For the longest time I really struggled to do isolated chrome designs as it would just stick everywhere, but I finally got the knack and I want to show you how I created it. So first of all, I'm going to start with a custom base color comprised of Mint Daydream, that lovely aqua color, cartoon blue, this medium blue, and then also in the first clip you could see Aruba blue, which is more of like a tealy green with a little bit of shimmer. So here's that custom color. I'm starting off with a swatch stick that's been buffed and my lovely wonderful twin brush from Amore Ultima. I'm just picking it up using the smaller rounded end, and I'm just applying a very thin coat, as you can see here, to the entire swatch. I'm also going ahead and adding a second layer just to make sure I have the opacity that I'm looking for. And going in with a buffer block, I'm just buffing the surface of that color for the chrome not to stick everywhere, wiping it with Sani Prep, and now I'm going in with Elite Black and I'm just outlining that top when curing it, and now I'm going in again with Elite Black and this detailer brush, and unfortunately you can't really see me painting this, but I'm going in and adding the bottom wing as well. After I've finished this little area, then I'm going to cure, followed by this wonderful blue chrome. So I'm just taking this disposable eyeshadow brush from Amazon, and with a little bit of that chrome, I'm rubbing it into the surface of that cured Elite Black. And as you can see, because I buffed the surface of my color, there is no chrome anywhere else except for on Elite Black. So now I have that, and I'm going to go back in with Elite Black, and I'm just outlining that very pretty shimmery blue color, and I'm thickening this border around both wings. After I've added the border, I'm going to add the main body in the same black, as well as the antennae to the top of the head portion of the butterfly. Again, curing after this step. And now I'm going to pull out some Elite White. As you can see, this is a well-loved container. I have a brand new one in stock waiting to be cracked open, but just finishing out this container. I'm just wiping my brush, making sure it's really clean, and now I'm going to take a dotting tool on the finer end, and I'm going to add some little tiny dots on top of that thick black outline that I added to the wings. I also placed those little stars and flicked the points out with that detailer brush as well, just to finalize the design and add a little bit more movement to the nail, and added those little dots as you can see here. Now I'm going back in with Elite Black, and I'm just adding some more detail into the wings and on top of the chrome. So as you can see, I'm just going lightly over the chrome and adding these like swoopy lines into the design as well. So pretty. And now I'm taking my foil gel from Fat Cat Claws, and I am going to just put an even thin layer on the entire nail, because I'm going to add some of their chrome flakies on top just to add some more sparkle, because a girl can never go wrong with a little bit of shimmer in her life. So that's going to go in for a full cure. And now I'm taking those chrome flakes in number 2 with that same disposable eyeshadow brush, and I am just tapping it into the sticky surface of that foil gel left, making sure to pat these flakes down, as they do have a tendency to stick up a little bit more. So I'm just making sure that I'm patting those into that cured product really, really well. Now I'm just taking that swatch stick again and Fat Cat Claws No Wipe Shiny Top Coat, and again just pushing those flakes in with my finger, and now I'm going to give a nice thick healthy layer of that top coat just to make sure there's no rough edges from adding those chrome flakes, and once this is applied, I'm going to cure for a full cure. I hope you liked this design that I created, and hopefully this tutorial helps with all of your isolated chrome needs. Beautiful. I love that shimmer. So here's the finished design. Hope you enjoyed. Products can be purchased at Impact Salon.